computer design, that is CAD. What is CAD? Computer design refers to the use of the computer software and system to create, modify, analysis, optimization the designs. It is widely used by engineers, architects, product designers, and other professionals to develop 2D, 3D models of physical components, structures, or products. Key features of the CAD software. In that, first feature is design, design creation. Enables the creation of detailed 2D drawings on 3D models. Offers tools for sketching, drawing, and digital representation. The second key feature of the CAD software is that precision and accuracy. Provides the high level of precision essential for technical and engineers applications. Allow for extract measurements, tolerance, and other specifications. The third feature of the CAD is that modification and irritations. Make it is easy to irritate designs without starting from of the scratch. Changes can be tracked and retrieved. The fourth feature of the CAD is that simulation and analysis. Many CAD tools integrate simulation applicables to the analysis of stress, motion, and thermal conditions. Ensure the designs can be withstand real world conditions. The fifth feature of CAD is that automation. Offers features like parametric modeling where changes into one part of the design automatically updated in related features. The sixth feature of the AutoCAD is that rendering and visualization. Provides high quality rendering for the better visualization and precision of the designs. Simulates textures, materials, and lightings. The seventh feature of the CAD is that documentation. It is the most important factor in a CAD. Generates the detailed technical drawings, assembly instructions, and manufacturing blueprints. The what types of CAD softwares? We can see 2D CAD focused on drawing, drafting, and creating of two-dimensional technical drawings. For the example, AutoCAD, 2D features, and drafting software. The second type of CAD software is that 3D CAD allows the creation of three-dimensional models with depth and volumes. Example software is SolidWorks, Fusion 360, and CATIA. Next, third type of software is that parametric CAD. Enables designs to be driven by the parametrics, for example, dimensions and constraints. Example software is Creo, Autodesk Inventor. The fourth type of CAD software is the direct modeling. Provides flexible editing by directly manipulating the geometry. For example, space line. The fifth type of CAD software is that specialized CAD. Tolerant for specific industries like architecture, mechanical engineer, or electronics. Example software is that Revit, architecture, building design, electronics. Applications of CAD software. What is the first application for mechanical engineering? Designing mechanical parts, assemblies, and systems. Prototyping and manufacturing tools. Second application of the CAD software, architecture and constructions. Creating the building plans, layouts, and 3D visualization. Structural and civil engineering designs. The third application of CAD, automotive and aerospace. Designing vehicles, aircrafts, and other components. The fourth application of the CAD software is product design. Developing a consumer products industrial equipment, and more. The fifth application of CAD software is electronics, designing a PCBs, printed circuit boards, and integrated mechanical and electronic components. The sixth application of the CAD is that animation and gaming, used for the character modeling and screen creation. Advantages of CAD software. What are the advantages? Efficiency. Speed up to design process compared to the manual drafting. Second is the accuracy. Reduce the human errors with precision tools. Third one is collaborations. Enables teams to work together on a complex projects, offer together cloud-based solutions. The fourth advantage of the CAD is that cost effective. Reduce the prototyping cost by allowing the virtual testing and visualization. The fifth advantage of CAD software is that innovative designs facilities exploring of the complex shapes and generative designs. The common CAD softwares are first one is Autodesk AutoCAD. Second one is the SolidWorks. Third one is the Fusion 360. PTC Creo fourth one. And fifth one is CATIA, Siemens and X. And seven is the SketchUp. Okay. Here we discuss about the in detail of the what is the Fusion software, what is the Fusion, and what are the advantages and what are the applications of the Fusion 360. Next, coming from slide, next slide. Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based 3D modeling CAD, which means computer-aided design, CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, and CAE, computer-aided engineering software developed by Autodesk company. It widely used by engineers, designers, and other manufacturers for product development. Fusion 360 integrates the design, engineering, simulation, and manufacturing into one unique platform, making this into a visualization tool for various applications. Key features of the Fusion 360 software. First one is the 3D modeling and design. Fusion 360 offers a parametrics free form and direct modeling tools, allowing users to create precise and complex 3D designs. Its flexibility supports directive and workflows for directive applications, including mechanical engineering parts and consumer products. User can be easily edit and refine designs to meet these specific needs. Second feature of the Fusion 360 is simulation and analysis. Fusion 360 includes the tools to simulate real world conditions like what are the conditions? Stress, heat, and motion. Users can perform finite element analysis FEA and thermal simulation to validate designs, optimize performance, and identify potential issues before manufacturing. Reduce the need for the costly physical prototypes. The third key feature of the Fusion 368 manufacturing, we already discussed CAM, computer aided manufacturing. The platform integrates computer aided manufacturing, that is CAM tools, supporting CNC machining, computer aided numerical control, manufacturing, 3D printing, and sheet metal fabrications. User can generate toolpaths, configs, machine setups, and preview the manufacturing workflows. Ensure the seamless transition from the designs to production within the same environment. Which means in the same environment, all we do in reason. 360 software. The next fourth feature of the Fusion 360 is that electronics and PCB design. Fusion 360 enables the design of electronics components and printed circuit boards, that is PCBs. It integrates the electronics and mechanical designs, allowing the users to ensure compatibility and punctuality of the electronics assemblies in products. This feature streamlines workflows for for mechatronics and IoT projects. The next feature, which means fifth feature of Fusion 360, is that electronics and PCB designs. Fusion 360 enables the design of electronics components and printed circuit boards. It integrates the electronics and mechanical designs, allowing the user to ensure the compatibility of functionality of electronics assemblies in products. This feature is streamlined to workflows for mechatronics and IoT projects. Mechatronics and IoT projects. Six, the sixth feature of Fusion 360 is that rendering and visualization. Fusion, Fusion 360 includes advanced rendering tools to create the photorealistic images and animations of the designs. These features help users visualize materials, lighting and textures, making into arise to communicate the ideas into stakeholders and clients with professional quality visuals. The next feature is generative design. The software use AI-driven algorithm to explore designs options based on user-defined constructions like material strength requirements. Generative design optimize the components for weight, performance, and manufacturability, leading to innovative solutions that traditional design methods might be overlooked. Next key feature of Vision 360 is documentation and technical drawing. The Vision 360 generates detailed 3D technical drawings and documentation from the 3D models. Those include dimensions, tolerances, and automation necessary for manufacturing and assemblies, ensuring smooth common communication between the designs and product teams. The next key feature of Fusion 360 is that automation and parametric modeling. With parametric modeling, users can define relationship and constructions between the designs and electronics. Changes to parametrics automatically updated related parts, making it to ensure to relative and optimization designs. Automation features further streamline respect to task, saving saving the time and reducing the errors. The last feature of Fusion 360 is customizable workflows. Fusion 360 supports custom scripts and additions allows the user to tailor workflows to specific needs. It integrates seamlessly with other softwares and hardware, including the CAD, file create and CAM machinery, entering the flexibility of special applications of Fusion 360 using in designing. First one is the all-in-one platform. Combines the combines the CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB designs into a single tool. Eliminates the needing for multiple software solutions. Second is the cloud-based collaborations. Allows the team members to work on a project in real time from anywhere. It ensures versions controls, securing file sharing, and easy access. Next one is that next feature is the user-friendly interface designed for the both designers, beginners, and professionals with rotating workflows that reduce the learning curve. Fourth advantage of the Fusion 360 is that parametric and direct modeling supports both parametric designs for precise rules-driven changes and direct modeling quick editing. Offers the direct design flexibility. Integrated simulation tools enables virtual testing for the designs under the real world conditions, reducing the need for the physical prototypes and saving time for the cost. Sixth advantage of Fusion 360 is that generative design. Use AI-driven algorithm to explore the optimized design options, improving performance and manufacturability while reducing the material waste. Cost effective. Offers the affordability subscription platforms with free version of only students and startups, making the advanced tools accessibility. Cross-platform access runs on a both Windows and Mac OS, which means Apple, with cloud features, accessibility for web versions, ensuring the flexibility in a device uses. The ninth advantage of Fusion 60 is that seamless manufacturing integration. Includes the CAM tools for CNC manufacturing and additive manufacturing, enables in a smooth transmission, smooth design production. And the tenth advantage of Fusion 60 is it supports multiple file formats. Can import and export a wide range of files format, making into a compatibility with other CAD tools and systems. 11th is that advanced rendering. Provides a photometrical rendering and animation capability for better visualization and presentation designs. 12th advantage of Fusion 360 is that customizable workflows. Supports scripting and adding in automated repetitive tasks and taller workflows to specific needs. Frequent update and features. Autodesk continuously updates the Fusion 360 with new tools and improvements, ensuring users have access to latest technology. The fourth advantage of Fusion 360 is that community and resources. Extensive support from through tutorials, forums, and active users. Active users community helps users quickly resolve issues and learning new techniques. The fifth advantage of Fusion 360 is that environment and accessibility. Facilities highlight lightweight and materials efficient design through generative design and simulation, promoting the sustainability and product development. Applications of Fusion 360. Okay, we'll see the what is the applications of Fusion 360 one by one. First one is product design and development. We use it to create detailed 3D models of consumers' products from concept to product. Idea for industries like furniture, home applications, and tools. The next applications of Fusion 360 is that mechanical engineering. essential for designing of mechanical components, assemblies, and systems. Engineers have used it too for prototyping, motion studies, and creating product ready parts. And creating the production ready parts. Next application of Fusion 360 is that automotive and aerospace. Automotive means automobile, aerospace means aerospace. Helps designs lightweight for aerospace, efficient parts for vehicles and aircraft. Efficient parts for vehicles and aircraft. Generative design optimizations, parts for weight and performance, virtual for those industries. Next application of Fusion 360 is that electronics design. Integrates PCB and mechanical design. Enables engineers to ensure seamless integration of electronics components in devices enclosures. So next feature of Fusion 360 is that manufacturing. Streamlines CNC machining, 3D printing, and shift metal fabrication workflows. It's CAM, computer aided manufacturing, capabilities of ensures accurate manufacturing process. The sixth application of Fusion 360 is that architectures and construction. Use it for designing complex architectures, components, customized structures, and fixtures, partially in a projects requiring high precisions. Seventh application of Fusion 360 is that education and training. A go-to tool for teaching CAD and COM principles in universities and vocational training centers, equipping studies, equipping students with industry-relevant skills. Next application of Fusion 360 is that 3D printing and prototyping. Popular among makers and startups for creating prototypes and testing designs using 3D printing technologies. Next application of Fusion 360 is that industrial design. Supports freedom modeling for asymmetric ergonomic designs in industries like automotive industries and consumer electronics. Tenth application of Fusion 360 is the medical devices. Used to design customized medical equipment, prosthetics, and implants with precision, ensuring patient specific solutions. The seventh application of Fusion 360 is the robotics and automation. Facilitates the design and assembles of robotics components and systems, including horns, arms, and joints. The 12th application of Fusion 360 is that IoT, Internet of Things, mechatronics. Mechatronics means the combination of mechanical plus electronics. So combines mechanical, electronics, and PCB design, making into ideal for IoT projects that integrated mechatronic systems. The 13th application of Fusion 360 is that jewelry and art allows designs to integrate detailed jewelry pieces and a choice of combining freedom and parametric models. The fourth application of Fusion 360 is that simulation and testing. Engine is used to simulate stress motion, and thermal performance, ensuring designs meet functional requirements. Introduction to Vision 360. So what is Vision 360? Vision 360 is the first 3D CAM, CAD and CAE tool of kind of it. Vision 360 enables that fast and easy exploration of Vision's ideas with an integrated concept to product platform. It connects your entire product development process in a single cloud based platform that works on both Mac and PC. Okay, what type of works we can do in the Fusion 360 means first one is the conceptual design, mechanical design, rendering, animation, CAM means computer aided design and simulation. So we'll see the workspace of the Fusion 360 software. So this is the user interface of Fusion 360 software. So coming to first one, this is the first one. What is the first one? Data panel. In the data panel, we have a file. This is a file, save, undo, and redo. Okay. Coming to second toolbar. Where is the toolbar? This is a toolbar. So from create, modify, assembly, sketch, construct, inspect, insert, and select. From this is a totally toolbar. In the toolbar, we have a separate again modules. That in the create, we have a multiple toolbars. Like that, modify, assembly also we have a drop down menus. So coming to third one is profile and help. This is a profile and help. Fourth one, cube. View cube. We can see in the view cube, we can click on front, we can see the front view of the diagram. You click on the right side of the diagram, right view of the diagram. Come and click on the top, we can see the top view of the diagram. We can see also two angles like one side of the front and one side of the right. We can see that click in the this part. Coming to fifth one is the browser. Where is the browser? Fifth one. This is the browser. This is the browser. This is the fifth one. Browser. Sixth one is the context menu. Sixth one is the context menu. This is the context menu. What we do in the saved in the context menu. Coming to seventh one, timeline. From here to here timeline. What is the process? For example, we are select the sketch. Then we do the explore. Then we do the modify. After that, we do the some thing work. So that is will saved in the timeline. Next, navigation bar and display settings. Where is the navigation bar? This is the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, we can zoom in, drag it, zoom out. Like that we can do in the navigation bar. Okay. So next, this is the model. So we click on the model. We have a first model, patch, render, animation, sim, cam, like that we can see. For example, model means we do the 3D, 2D models. Render means we are do the render for the models. Animation also different, sim and analysis, and cam. So navigation, introduction to navigation. This is a navigation bar. We are already seen. This is the navigation bar. Okay. In the first one is the scroll. What to do? Scroll the middle mouse button will to zoom in or zoom out. For example, when I need to zoom the one model, click on the middle mouse button and rotate it, come to zoom in, zoom out. We can do same oppositely. Next, hold, click and hold the middle mouse button to pan the view. For example, I have a view here. I want to change the view from model from here to here. For that one, we need to hold the middle mouse button and move to here to here. Okay. Next, hold the shift key, click on click and hold middle mouse button to rabbit move. Okay. Next, for example, this is for Windows PC. For example, we go to the Mac. So two finger pitch to zoom out, two finger spread to zoom in. Okay. Next, two fingers swipe to one place to another place the object. Shift, hold the shift and two fingers swap the object. Okay. So that you already see this is the X, this is the top plane, this is the front plane, and this is the side plane. This is the top, front, and this is the top plane. Okay. For example, this is X, Y, Z, which means X, Y, this one, and Y, X, Y, next, Z, Y, X, Y, sorry, X, Z. X, Z means this plane. Okay. Next, Y, Z means this plane. Okay. So work with symmetries. Okay, these are the properties. Next, for example, have a rectangle. I need to convert to rectangle to cube. So for that one, I need to draw in the sketch mode. I need to draw the rectangle. Then go to the extrude operation, click on extrude, give the volume, convert to the 3D object. Convert to the 3D object. Okay. So this is plane, which means X and Y. I give the Z in the extrude operation. So this is X, Y, and Z. Okay. Next, like that, this one also. This is the X and Y. In the extrude operation, I give the Z. Okay. This is Z, X, and Y. Next, this sketch. Same like that. I'm converting to this is a revolve operation. In the revolve operation, revolve operation, I'm completely one plane into total round like this. Okay. I will see in detail explain the next coming classes. So coming to 2D, this is a 2D interface. We already discussed the design toolbar. We have a design bar. So this is the design bar. From here to here, design toolbar. Design toolbar. Okay. This is sketch, rectangle, circle. This is a sketch. We have see one sketch, circle, and two circles, two lines, and two lines. Okay. This is another example for the 2D sketch. So this is one example for the 2D sketch. This is the one example for the also 2D sketch. This converted into 3D. We'll see how to convert into 3D. So this is converted into 3D. We can see that just I'm removing this one. I'm removing this one totally, and this one totally, and this one totally, and this one is totally. Then we can see here either holes. Okay. So we already seen this one also. I'm converting to 3D. This one also converted into 3D. Okay. Free form and sculpting. Okay. These are free forms. So these are another tool in the design toolbar. Okay. I'm select the one model using the create. I'm using the create. I'm develop the one model. Okay. With help of modify toolbar, I modify into some lengths. Okay. Modify into some lengths. Again, I modify again length. Modify was length. Again, this also this side from this side, and this side modify. Okay. This is a modification with help of modify toolbar. Okay, we can see multiple models modified. This one is created. You can see modification. Creating the joints, which means motion. Okay, we'll see the motion. First, I'm selecting first rectangle. Then can give the this is X and this is Y. First, I'm selecting this rectangle part created. Then I give some value. Okay, Z direction in that volume. So in the which option extrude. In the extrude option, I'm given some value. It converts it from 2D to 3D. Okay. So then again I'm selecting this face. Then I am selecting this face. Then then I am design some rectangle. Then I can give the volume 25 volume. This is called adding of material to the existing material. Okay. This is called removing the material from existing material. This called extrude. This operation called is extrude, and this operation called is extrude cut. We can see here extrude cut. We can see here extrude cut. You can see operation join operation. We are adding the one material, one cuboid already there, one object is already there. In that I am adding some material to adding joining. This operation is called as joining. This operation is called as cutting. Okay, so it's completely done. First we have is this one. After that we continue to some shape, rectangle shape. Okay, then I give you holes. Then I give you some holes. Previously holes was not there. Can you observe here? The holes are not there. You can see here holes. I'm selecting first display, this surface. Then I'm selecting. Then I'm write the circle. Then I use the extrude cut operation. Okay. Again, I'm selecting this surface. I'm draw the rectangle. Sorry, circle and extrude joining operation. Okay. Again, I'm selecting one object. Okay, this is one, and this is two, and this is three. Okay, this is one, this is two, and this is three. Okay, I'm adding to this material. Okay, just I'm interfacing, join joint. So I'm join this circle and this circle with a reference. Okay, place coming to here. You can see this is meant disabled. We can see this one and this one is enabled. So it is fixed in this hole. You can see here. This hole is inserted in this rod. Okay, this rod. So this is rotating 360 degrees is rotate. No, because we have some object is there, so it is not rotating 360 degrees. So next we'll see the rendering. So in the model we already know rendering. Some we already discussed: model, patch, sheet metal, render, animation, simulation, cam, and drawing. You click on the model operation, this drop down menu will be appear. So in that I'm selecting render option. So I'm select this is already we are created using the extrude. Option we already created. Okay. So for this one I'm doing the rendering. This one also is created. You can see a render. So click on the setup menu. You can see here setup. Just click on the setup menu. One drop down menu will be coming. You can see the drop down menu. First one is the physical material, appearance, scene settings will come, text map control. Okay. Click on physical material. We need to give some material. Which material? Okay, we can see physical material affect the color and engineering properties of bodies and components. Drag the physical material from the dialog to the body or component. Okay. If you give the physical material, it's affected the color and engineering properties of bodies and components. Which means if you give some physical material, I give it this is a rubber. I'm giving one example. Select the rubber. So it will be changed to rubber color and the properties also changed to rubber properties. Okay. So this is the physical material library. So in that we have a lot of materials: copper, rod, gold, iron, cost, like that. We have a physical material library. So on material, I'm giving the gold material given to the this part. Then what happens? The color will be changed to gold color. The color will be changed to gold color. And also the properties also changed to gold properties. Okay. If I select, if I select the copper, the color, the object of the color changed to copper, and the materials of the object is selected to copper. Okay, and I am select the what I am select here, wood material selected. Then what happened? The color will be changed to wood color, and also properties changed to wood color. Okay, next, I'm in that, in the setup we can go back. You can see here in the setup option we can write the text. Okay, so that text is written here, which means Autodesk Vision 360 draw written on the object. Okay, these are one setup is going on rendering. You can see this is the rendering. This is rendering. Okay, this part also you can see part have some doubt where it is coming. This is there. Okay, you get there. This is the object. This object is there now. So this is the object, nothing but this object. This object. Okay, not this. This is the rendering. Okay, coming to next part. This one and click on the render. Just go to the animation. Okay, we'll see the animation. Animation means working principle of demo or demo. Okay, how it is working. We need to give some speed, angular velocity to this part. It will be rotating or working. So we can select the explain. We can be later. Next part is simulation. Next part is simulation. Okay. So just click on the model. The drop down will be menu will come now. In that I'm select the simulation. Okay. This is the model. For that I need the from stresses. So I apply the load. This is the load. This one is load. So I apply the load on the face. On the face. Okay. Load case one. I apply the load. Okay. So I apply the single load and at constant at single point. Previously I applied the load on total surface. On total this surface. I apply the total load on this surface. Okay. This total surface. But coming to next, this I apply the apply the load at single point. I apply the load. So what we can see the stress strain, total displacement. For example, in the real time also in this object we apply this load. Okay. Okay. For example, this object I'm created in the real world. So I apply the load here. That this is the view. So simulation means we are creating one object on working model. We do the simulation in the computer as the environment of what is the environment is in the real time. That is the environment will create in the computer and will apply the load. Will apply the load. So we'll see the result. What will happen? So we in this case we save the material. We'll save the material. We'll save the time. We'll save the machinery process. We'll save the labor cost. Lot of things we can save. We'll do the simulation. This many we can save the saving things. Okay. So this is another you can see previously like this is there. We can see here. Okay. So next part is simulation. So you can see simulation, static stresses, model frequency, thermal stresses, construction buildings, non-linear static stresses, event simulation, and shape optimization. This type of simulation we can do in the Fusion 360 software. Okay. In this case, previously we are applying load this surface, but right now we are applying load in this surface, total surface. This is a total surface. This is a single point. Okay. You can see you apply the load, it is breaking here and break here. Okay. So yet max load of 7398 is coming. And the mean means this is safest place. The blue color means safest place. The yellow or red color means danger. We can see the safest place, and this is a danger. Okay. So this is the we can see load here. Okay. So in case this is the safest place. So next compare. So I'm comparing one model. This one to this one I'm comparing. Okay, compare. So compare this one and this simulation model and this simulation model. Okay. So using it. Can see one model. So this is the stresses apply the load and the stresses. You can see previously this object is created in the design. The design interface it is created. Okay. So this is the loads. I apply the load here. Oh, you can see the so this is danger. These are more affecting. So this legs are safest place, which means this more red color means the more load is applied. This blue color means less load is applying. Okay. We'll see the how to download and how to install the Fusion 360 software from the Autodesk company login. Okay, first go to browser, search the Autodesk login, click on that, click on this link. First we need to log in, click on sign in. So we don't have a login. So first we need to create account. Just click on the create account. Just click on the create account. Give the details. My name is Ashok. Ashok and password. Give the mail ID. Next create the password at least 8 characters. Okay, click on I agree. Create account. Okay. Please send the information. So go to the Gmail account, verify the link given sent by the Autodesk company to your mail ID. Okay, then we'll come back. Just after verify, click on continue. I'm already verified. Okay, got it. Please wait. Yeah, go to the products, Fusion, download free trial. Click on Autodesk Fusion for educational use only. Select Fusion. Just a wait. Select the Fusion. Fusion. Download free trial. Download it. Click on the start a free trial version. Just click on that. Complete. We need to give the full information. What is the use? Mechanical engineering. Click on mechanical engineering. Autodesk Fusion. What is the current design of manufacturing? Autodesk AutoCAD. What is industry? Click on others education. On team one. Click on name. SR University. Click on give the name SR University, India. Give the Telangana. Otherwise Andhra Pradesh. Pin code number of college 506371. Mobile number. Give your mobile number and complete to submit. 6 and download the. Click on that. It is downloading. Thank you for your just a minute. It is downloading. You can say download here. This link will be given. This link will be given in the description. Download file will be given in the description file. Just open file. It will open. Wait a moment. It will open. Wait a moment. Yeah, it is opening. Extracting. Autodesk application streaming. Just click on OK. Running pre-check 100% is done. Setup is going on. Please wait. Setup is going on. Please wait. Setup is going on. It takes some time. We'll go fast forward during this time. Wait.